Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add social networks on Roblox. Roblox is a dynamic platform that allows users to create, share, and play games. One of the ways to enhance your experience is by linking your social media accounts. To begin, launch the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Once you're in the app, look for the More Settings option. This is represented by a circle with three dots, typically found on the main screen. In the More menu, select Settings. This will lead you to a new screen where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Scroll down until you find the Account Info section. Tap on it to access detailed settings related to your account. Once in the Account Info section, scroll down further until you reach the Social Networks area. Here, you will see a list of available social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and Guilded. These platforms allow you to connect with other players and keep up with community news. In the social network section, you can choose any of the listed platforms that you would like to link to your Roblox account. Simply tap on the icons corresponding to the social networks you want to add. This action may prompt you to log into your social media account and authorize the connection. After selecting your social networks, look for the Visible To option. This feature allows you to control who can see your linked social media accounts. You can choose to make this information visible to everyone, just your friends, or keep it private. Once you have made your selections and adjusted your visibility settings, be sure to press the Save button. This action ensures that all the details you have entered are recorded and that your social networks are linked successfully. And that is everything you need to know about how to add social networks on Roblox. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.